the kickoff was in January, and then we had 6 weeks to build a robot, and then from there on, we ready for the competition. So the competition run about 6 weeks until the qualified team will be invited for the World Championship and the UIL along with the district championship. So the first week went well, and then we compete on the second week. And we did pretty well. We got into the playoff, and then we ready for the following week competition. And then certainly the school announced the school closed, so we dropped everything, within the lab. So I hope that one day we come back and finish what we did.
So FIRST has incorporated with LucasArts, or pretty much Star Wars, to make a Star Wars themed game. The game's called Infinite Recharge, and basically what happens is there are balls on the field and you have to shoot them into the high goals that are right here behind me. On top of that, when you shoot them into the goal, the people behind the human players collect the balls and feed them back to you through the collector right there. You have to spin a switch panel to a certain color and a certain amount of revolutions, as well as by the end of the match, you also get points for hanging, and your robot has to be completely off the ground for 5 seconds after the buzzer rings, but if it continuously falls down, it doesn't count towards your points. I love the FIRST program. I've been in it for 4 years, and I really look forward to doing something in engineering in the future with my future life, and it's just something that I'm really interested in, and it's something that I'm pretty passionate about in my life.
Robotics is super fun, but it can also be very challenging at times whenever you're having electrical issues and you may not know exactly what's wrong, and that can be really frustrating. But robotics is going to help you with problem solving, and that's a really big part of it, because we get such a short amount of time to build such advanced robots, and they have to be well constructed and operate correctly, and that is really difficult. But together as a team, we problem solve and get it done. And so walking away from robotics, you'll leave with a good sense of electrical engineering, a little bit of mechanical and structural engineering, building different parts of the robot that interact with the environment, so the lift and just all the robot. I really enjoy the camaraderie on the team. We all get along really well, and we have a really good time hanging out with each other. Everyone is really smart, so we always find really good solutions to our problems. And the team is just this is a really well-constructed team.
So what I enjoy the most about robotics competition is the ability for different teams to collaborate and help each other. I actually really like the friendliness, because at usual competitions, because I'm also a dancer, there's always that competitive spirit, we need to be better than them. And for this, when you ask around for help, there are so many people who are willing to help you. And they even have, in the pit, they have people making announcements like Team 5908 needs help with this, and there's always someone who comes by, and I think that's really great.
For more information about our team, we have a website as well as social media outlets. We also advertise around the school, and we're pretty known around the school since we've been to the World Championship twice now, so we have some sort of recognition under our belt.